Hi everyone, I wanted to just come on here to talk to you about the poster or the post or the flyer that you may have seen circulating around regarding the Women's Health Yoga class. So that's going to be coming up on August 14th and 15th in Pune. So we're going to be doing it at the 108 Cafe in Koregaon Park. And it is going to be August 14th, the Saturday at 4 p.m. will be one session, and there'll be another session on the 15th, the Sunday morning at 10 a.m. and then there'll be a kids session at 11:30. So this is one that I am collaborating with Caro, where she is a physiotherapist, a holistic health coach, and a yoga practitioner. And if you don't know myself, if you're new to my page, I am an essential oil educator, ERYT 500, as well as specialize in prenatal and postnatal yoga, as well as a holistic health coach. So with this, we are doing this more as a karma class. So there isn't an exact fee to the class. You are more than welcome to join. What we do encourage you to do is give back. So because of the karma class, all proceeds that you do give us will be going towards the Mahir Ashram in Pune, which is basically to support children and women that are in need. So there is no caste, no race that is associated with them. They are there to support all people. And this is a great way where we do have that children's class as well on the Sunday. Get your kids involved. Let them understand what it means to be giving back to society, especially in this day and age. And in these times, this is something that we all need to do more of. And this is something where it doesn't even have to be financial. You can bring an old t-shirt, some old pants, some old clothing. Just try to make sure that they're clean and washed and ready to be given away. And this is where you can involve your kids in the home as well too, to give away maybe some of their clothes that they may not be using or may not be wearing on a regular basis. It could be old bed sheets. It could be something that they're also able to be getting involved in, to be able to giving back, to be helping other children and other women and men to basically be able to live a wonderful life and to be able to get that support from the community. So this is going to be all about community. This is going to be all about nurturing your soul and understanding what it is to be giving back to the community. So we hope to see you there. I will be including a link to RSVP. If you have any questions, either send myself or Caro a DM, reach out to us. Our contact details, I will be tagging both of us in this video, and we really hope to be seeing you there. This is going to be one of our first in-person classes after a long time, and we're going to be having it in a beautiful space at 108 in the Koregaon Park location, which is at their new location. So I will tag them as well. So we hope to see you there, and we hope that you are able to share all of the wonderful stuff that you have to basically be paying it forward to the community and giving back. So take care. Lots of love. See you then.